Continuing on with this build on this 1962 Buick, we are moving on to the exhaust. And this is going to be a little bit tricky because our friend Dave doesn't want fender or hood exit exhaust. He wants full exhaust, so that's what we're going to do our best to achieve for him. And with the limited room and the way the frame is designed on this car, the only logical place for the exhaust is to go through and behind the inner fender. The passenger side has the evaporator box, and the only way to remove it is to take off the fender and eat a lot of rust.
Oh, you motherfucker! You son of a bitch!
And we all know that an old car equals old bolts, so Jeg's Plasma is saving the day here.
Huh?
We had to get a little creative to get the box out, and it had to come out in several pieces, so that was a lot of fun. And this plastic custom fab table that we got from Walmart has been such a trooper, so please keep hanging in there. And a little fun fact on this car, it has reverse threads on the driver's side tire. Just ask me how we figured that out. The hard way, that's how.
What did he say?
Dangerous. Can't do many game bang with us. Straight up, we know antidote.
And another shout out to this Jegs plasma cutter. If you're watching this, Jegs, we love this thing, and I don't know how we ever survived without it. Making this exhaust where it can come apart has been one of the more challenging parts of this build, but I think we've done a pretty good job at mastering it by now, and it's turning out pretty darn good.
God damn!
Damn, boy, he's thick! Boy, that's a thick-ass boy!